Shoulder rolls are where things get fun. And I'm not saying things weren't fun previously, but now we are rolling backwards. So when you do a shoulder roll, there's a lot of control and you've got to stretch and make sure that you're even able to get your feet over. And that's not always easy for people. So we spend a good amount of time working on how to get our feet to the ground before we even learn these. From there, there's also a lot of neck flexibility and making sure that you're able to withstand the move. Your core is fully engaged so that you are not flopping sideways because that's not fun. When you roll over, you are taking your head to a side tilt so you roll over the shoulder. You've got to be really careful not to turn it into an arm roll or just rolling straight over the back of your head, like different things. So when you do this, you want to feel the rotation happen right through here. This move sets you up to get into different types of freezes, and again, you can even use this getting into or out of different power moves. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about shoulder stands. I will see you then.